What's going on, everybody? Didi here, and in this video, we're going to be learning about some basic arithmetic operators in Haxe. So let's begin. Firstly, let's create a variable, call it x, make it a float, and give it a value of 10. Now, what would you do if you wanted to increment the value of x by 1 to make it 11? You can do this by typing x equals x plus 1. Now, if I try to print this, the program prints 11. There's a simpler way of doing this. Instead of x equals x plus 1, you can just replace it with x plus plus, and the program prints the same result. This method only works if you want to increment by 1. But what if you wanted to increment by a higher number, such as 2? You can do this by going back to the previous code and replacing the 1 with 2. Now, if I build the program, it prints 12. There's a simpler way of doing this as well. Instead of x equals x plus 2, you can just replace it with x plus equals 2, and the program once again prints 12. Now let's try subtracting, which is the same as addition, but instead of the plus sign, you need to use the minus sign. So x equals x minus 1, which prints 9. And as for the simpler way, x minus minus, which once again prints 9. And if I want to subtract 2, I can add x equals x minus 2, or x minus equals 2. Now let's try multiplying, which is the same as addition and subtraction, but instead of the plus and minus sign, you replace it with the asterisk sign. X equals x asterisk 2. And when I build the program, it prints 20. And as for the simpler way, x asterisk equals 2, which once again prints 20. Now let's try dividing. X equals x forward slash 2. And when I build, it prints 5. And as for the simpler way, x forward slash equals 2, which once again prints 5. Lastly, we have the remainder operator. The remainder operator divides the value of x with the number you enter and provides the remainder. For this, I'm going to change the value of x from 10 to 5 so that we get a remainder when we divide. And now let's replace this line with x equals x percentage sign 2. Now if I save and build the program, it prints 1, because when we divide 5 by 2, we get a remainder of 1. And as for the easier way, x percentage equals 2, which once again prints 1. So those were some basic arithmetic operators in Haxe. See you all on the next video, and until then, adios.